Look at that. Oh my god, guys. You can totally see that, can't you? Ah. Oh my god. I can't believe it worked. Look at that. I knew it. Bloody knew it. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, guys. Husband is snoring. You can hear him. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, look at that. I can't believe it. It's so faint, but it's totally there. It came up like straight away. This is the moment, guys. This is like the moment, and husband's snoring. This is brilliant. Best pregnancy announcement ever. Hi ladies! Okay, so I've just been at work for 12 hours and I've just got home. I'm absolutely exhausted and I still can't believe it, guys, that I got that positive pregnancy test. I've just taken a cheapie actually, and with Charlie's pregnancy, I think, I didn't get a positive on my cheapie for like ages, until like at least 13 DPO. So I'll insert this picture right here. I literally can't believe it. I'm really, really hoping, Matt and I were just saying that, you know, it still could go wrong, but I do feel like this is a really, like, strong pregnancy, just because of those lines on the first response. So what I'm going to do, we're going to try not to get too excited, and I'm going to test again tomorrow with the first response. So I'll put the video up. It will have to be, you know, in the next couple of days now, and we will see the difference in the darknesses, because with pregnancy tests, if they get darker, that means that the HCG is rising, and that is, you know, hopefully a positive pregnancy test, and that will carry on. So yeah, guys, I am absolutely in shock, and I'm going to do a separate video on my symptoms before getting a big fat positive pregnancy test, because there were lots of symptoms this month, and then by about 6 DPO, they completely disappeared, so it was really, really strange. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to me for free to follow my journey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, ladies!